Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. And as you can see, on the second position we've got languages and inputs, so we have to tap on it and tap on languages. This is the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on the language. And we've been transferred to the full list of the languages which are available in this device. So all you have to do in order to change the language is to just tap on the one you'd like to use. I will pick this one. You can choose the region sometimes also, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the one we would like to use and hold it and drag it to the very first position, because on the very first position we've got the main language. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen one. So let me show it to you again. Let's switch to the English. And the same situation. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this three dots icon and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language you would like to remove and just tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with tapping on remove, and here we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.